I'm trying to repair this lock, y'all. Got it all rolled up. These are weak areas. We'll keep rolling it over until it get to the thick part. I ain't even retwist the roots. I'm just trying to save I had a little weak area over here, sort of like right in here, but I'm twisting it over. Let's twist my root now. I want to twist the root right now. And I kind of want to lock that into place so it don't move. That's good enough for me until I retwist, get my baby to retwist these roots. Yeah, I think I saved it. This mug got a lot of knots in it.